Let's pick our next order from Germany. Actually, it's our first packing video for orders from Germany. I'm so happy to hear that. Love the nails and plan to order again. Yes, this sweetie has already got the package, but it was last night that we finally finished the editing. Now come to see what she picked. She picked 3 sets in our shop. The first set is Cat Party. The one I'm wearing right now. It's one of our best sellers. A very cute and practical set of shell nails for both school and work. The second one is Sky and Lake. A very sparkly and refreshing cat eye design. The last one is stockings and shoes. Also cat eye design, but very clean and simple. All nails are kept in boxes and well wrapped, prevent hurting during shipping. And each set comes with a complimentary nail application kit. We also have some small gifts for every customer. Hope you guys will like them. Okay, thank you for watching.